Welcome back to the MakeForms tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore the number field. The number field is used to collect any numeric value from your users, such as age, quantity, price, or any number-based input. To begin, add a number field to your form. Let's get started with the basic settings. At the top, you'll see the toggle for required field. When it's enabled, the user must enter a valid numeric value before they can submit the form. The placeholder text appears inside the field before the user types anything. For example, enter your age or enter total quantity. It guides the user about what kind of number is expected. Next, you'll find the helper text toggle. When enabled, you can write a small note that appears along with the field, such as you must be 18 or older. Under placement, you can show it as an info icon, which shows the helper message in a tooltip when the user hovers on it, or display it directly beneath the field for better clarity. The maximum length setting defines how many digits the user is allowed to type. For example, you can set the length to 10 digits for age-related questions. Limit range allows you to specify the minimum and maximum values the field should accept. For example, you may want users to enter an age between 18 and 40. If someone enters a number outside this range, the form will display error message. Next is enable decimal restriction. When this is turned on, a decimal amount slider appears. This allows you to control how many decimal places the user can enter. For example, you can allow up to 2 decimal places when collecting weight values. If this is turned off, only whole numbers are accepted. When the required field toggle is turned on, you'll also see an option labeled Mark as Unique Field. This prevents duplicate values across submissions. If 2 users attempt to enter the same number, for example, an employee ID or registration number, the second user will see a custom error message until they provide a unique value. Let's move to the advanced settings for even more control over your number field. This field lets users enter multiple text values inside a single input. When the repeat option is turned on, you can set how many entries they're allowed to add. When the repeat option is turned on, an Add More button appears, allowing users to add or remove entries. It's perfect for collecting multiple project codes, department tags, or reference IDs without creating separate fields. Next, you'll see the Mark as Sensitive Data option. When enabled, the number entered is treated as sensitive information. Only team members with special permissions will be able to view this value in the Responses section. The default value setting allows you to pre-fill the field with a number that appears automatically when the form loads. This is helpful when you want to display a known age for internal users or show an employee ID by default. Enabling Disable Field locks the input. Users will be able to see the number but will not be able to edit it. This is ideal for system-generated values or cases where you want to display a value without allowing modification. Turning on Hidden Field removes the number field entirely from the visible form. Even though the user does not see it, any default or autofill value will still be included in the submitted response. Next option is Fill from Query Parameter. This feature allows the number field to auto-populate based on a value passed in the URL. For example, if you set the query parameter like employee ID equals 7575, to your form link will automatically fill the field with the value 7575. The prefix setting lets you display a value before the number entered by the user. This is commonly used for currency symbols. For example, you can add a $sign for price fields. So when the user types 100, they see $100 in the field. The prefix is only visual. MakeForms stores the numeric value without the prefix. The Postfix setting lets you display a value after the number entered by the user. This is useful for units such as kilograms, hours, or percent. For example, you can add kg to collect weight values. So when the user types 70, they see 70 kilograms. And that covers everything you need to know about the number field in MakeForms. See you in the next video.